What are die breaks, and how do they affect ancient gold coins? Have you ever wondered what those unusual marks on ancient gold coins mean? Today, we will discuss die breaks and how they impact these fascinating artifacts. Die breaks are flaws that occur on coins when the metal die used to create them develops cracks or loses pieces. This happens because dies, especially those made from hard metals, can become brittle over time and with repeated use. When a die cracks or a piece breaks off, the molten metal of the coin, such as gold, fills the gap during the striking process. This results in visible errors on the coin's surface. There are two main types of die breaks. The first is a marginal die break, also known as a cud. This occurs when a piece of the die near the rim breaks away. The coin then displays a raised, featureless area where the gold flowed into the missing section of the die. The second type is a die crack, where a fracture forms in the die but does not immediately break off. In this case, the metal flows into the crack, producing a raised line on the coin. Ancient gold coins were typically struck using steel or bronze dies, which were prone to wear and damage. The number of coins a die could produce before breaking varied based on several factors. These include the metal composition of the die, the size of the coin, and the depth of the design. In ancient times, obverse dies, which create the front side of the coin, often lasted longer than reverse dies. For instance, an obverse die might strike around 15,000 coins, while a reverse die might only last for half that amount. However, dies could also be recut or repaired to extend their lifespan, sometimes resulting in coins with multiple or overlapping errors. From an archaeological standpoint, die breaks on ancient gold coins provide important clues about minting processes and coin production. They help researchers understand how coins were made, how often dies were replaced, and the conditions inside ancient mints. Coins with die breaks can be linked to specific dies or batches, aiding in the study of coinage sequences and the reconstruction of minting timelines. These errors also reveal the technical challenges faced by ancient coin makers and the practical solutions they employed, such as die repair or reuse. Die breaks are physical errors on coins caused by damaged dies. On ancient gold coins, they serve as markers of production techniques and minting history, making them essential for archaeological research. By studying these features, archaeologists can piece together ancient economies, trace the movement of coins, and gain a better understanding of the technology and organization of ancient mints.